Colonel, earlier we reported na ang PNP daw used ground-penetrating radars and detected heartbeats dito sa underground bunker sa loob ng KOJC compound. And the police believe na ini-indicate nito si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, no? How sure are we na si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy nga yung na-detect na heartbeat doon sa underground bunker?
Like we said earlier, we have a reasonable ground to believe that Pastor Kibuloy and other accused remains inside the KOJC compound, and that is true. We already used the ground-penetrating radar, and there is one area inside the compound that we are now being the subject of the focus of the operations of the PNP, because based on the GPR, we detected not just one possible heartbeat, and this is more or less 20 to 30 meters underground, and hopefully we could somehow locate the possible entrance to this bunker. And we are not sure, to be honest with you, ma'am, we are not sure whether or not the heartbeats belongs to the person's subject of our warrant of arrest. But what is clear here there are people under this there are people underground.
Colonel, itong device na to that detects heartbeats, ano po ang accuracy na to? Nagamit na po ba to ng kapulisan natin dati?
Yes, ma'am. This is the same GPR or gun penetrating radar that were used in the previous calamity wherein there were collapsed buildings and infrastructure, and this is the same equipment we use to detect sign of life, and the same equipment is being now being used to detect possible sign of life under this target area.
And then how the underground bunker, how difficult will it be to penetrate? Give us a sense of ano yung timeline niyo po in order to, or do you think the police will be able to penetrate the underground bunker?
The challenge here, ma'am, is as of now we haven't seen the possible ingress where this tunnel or bunker that leads to this tunnel and bunker. So that is the whole day we are still trying to locate the possible entrance and exit of this secret bunker. And hopefully, I just talked with the regional director of Police Regional Office 11, General Torre, a while ago, and they are hopeful that they may be able to locate this entrance as soon as possible time. Hopefully, before the night ends, they could somehow have a clearer direction where this entrance will lead them.
Also, operations are continuing right now.
That is correct, ma'am. As we speak, the operation is still ongoing po.